Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to another Self-Care Monday series. Thank you for joining me again. Today we are going to be working on the Rosemary and Peppermint foot scrub. But before we jump in today's workshop, let's go over some of the items you'll need in order to work on it. Alright everyone, you'll need 5 main ingredients as well as a storage container and some measuring spoons too as well. So your 5 ingredients are going to be coconut oil, kosher salt, regular table salt, rosemary, as well as peppermint oil. You can get most of these supplies locally at Albertsons, Walmart, Safeway. Just look in the spice aisle. The coconut oil is going to be located near the oils. And then the peppermint oil we got from Tiffany's House of Essential Oils located downtown Gallup, or you're more than welcome to buy them online too as well. But with that, let's start on our workshop for today. I will go ahead and put a list of the ingredients as well as the quantities for the ingredients in the description below. But with that, we are going to be making this straight into our storage container. If you're making a large batch of this, of course you'll put it in a mixing bowl or a very large bowl so that way you can mix everything together. But you're going to be mixing 3 teaspoons of kosher salt or 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this. Make sure all of your packages are open ahead of time. And it is okay if you go slightly over your measuring spoon. But I'm going to go ahead and add the kosher salt. You'll need 1 teaspoon of table salt. And then you'll need a half a teaspoon of rosemary. And you can find rosemary in the spice aisle. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my wet ingredients, which is the coconut oil. I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon. And then I'm going to also add a few drops of peppermint oil. I went ahead and added 5 drops. And then the last thing you need to do is just mix everything together. If your mixture comes out too wet, so it looks a little bit liquidy, you're more than welcome to add more salt and a little bit more rosemary into the mixture. Contrary to that, if your mixture looks too dry, you just add a little bit more peppermint oil and a little bit more coconut oil. But you want your consistency for your mixture to look sand-like, almost like a rice when it's fully cooked. And again, you can make this in a large batch. And when you want to use it, all you have to do is soak your feet for a good 10 or 15 minutes. Once you're done soaking your feet, you're going to go ahead and get your rosemary and peppermint foot scrub. You're going to work it into your feet. The salt is going to act as an exfoliant, and the coconut oil is going to help hydrate your skin too as well. And then once you're done, wash it off and then pat yourself dry. Don't wipe yourself dry and you're good to go. But with that, this again is a rosemary and peppermint foot scrub with 5 ingredients. If you're interested in learning more, we are going to be posting more of our Self-Care Monday series in the next few weeks. If you have an idea for a self-care episode, go ahead and put it in the comments down below. And Thank you very much, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.